In our commercialized world, there always seems to be a question of what's wrong with one device or the other. There's nothing wrong with fiber optic inspection now. The only thing to be aware of is that there are 4 classes of inspection. Each one does something, each one has its own specific need, and one is not really better than the other. The only one I challenge, the only one I question, are what I call the direct view. These, I personally believe, are dangerous. They can cause eye damage. Some are filtered, some are non-filtered. The issue really is that the bodies, the actual scope itself, they all look pretty much the same. So it's difficult for the craftsperson to know which one is safe and which one is not. It just seems to me the best way is to completely disregard this group. So 4 classes of inspection. Each one provides us information as a best practice future-proof.